Budget smartwatches offer a perfect blend of affordability and features. You get the form factor of a smartwatch along with essential fitness tracking and alerts for calls and notifications. So, even if you don't want to pay the premium for a full-fledged wearables, there are several cheaper alternatives to go for. And that's exactly why in this video I'm going to show you some of the best smartwatches under 3000 rupees that you can buy right now. Also, you can read detailed analysis of these smartwatches on our website. Links will be in the description down below. So guys, this is Suleiman Khan and let's start. So the first one in our list is TAG Verve. TAG is a well-known brand that launches smart wearables and audio accessories under budget price points. The latest smartwatch from this brand is TAG Verve. Priced at rupees 4,199, the TAG Verve is an affordable smartwatch in already crowded smartwatch market segment. It does have a plethora of features that we quite commonly see in smartwatches. Let's start with the design. At a glance, the smartwatch resembles the Apple Watch in terms of design with its square watch face and a button on the right side. The physical button on the right offer good tactile feedback and can be used for turning the display on or off and going back to home screen. The TAG Verve case is made up of a zinc alloy which feels very premium as sturdy, and this is the main reason why I bought this watch. Also, the weight distribution of the watch is quite good. It is little bit on the heavier side as compared to any other smartwatch in this segment, which makes it feel premium. The TAG Verve smartwatch has a 1.4-inch 320 into 320 pixels TFT LCD color touch display and offers multiple watch faces. The smartwatch is compatible with the smartphones running Android 5 and above and iPhones running iOS 9 and above. It has an accelerometer, gyroscope and optical heart rate sensor. It has IP68 water and dust resistant, which means it can survive exposure to water at a maximum depth of 1.5 meters for up to 30 minutes. Now TAG Verve usually retails for around 4200 rupees, but you can get it for as low as 2,900 rupees by using our code XDroid1300 on their website. So the next one in our list is Noise ColorFit Pro 2. It is a lightweight smartwatch that has 9 sport modes to track all your activities. The watch can take care of your health and physical activities with ease. The smartwatch is made up of strong polycarbonate case which makes it light and easy to carry. The straps are made up of silicone which can be changed according to the occasions. A physical control button has been provided on the right side of the watch. The watch has a fully capacitive colorful touch screen display of 1.3 inches. The watch is water and sweat proof, so you do not need to worry about the display. The touch response of the watch is quick and does not lag. The performance offered by this watch is impressive as it offers you 10 days battery life on a single charge. The battery has a 45 days standby time. Noise ColorFit Pro 2 is a stylish watch that offers you all features at an affordable price. It is one of the best smartwatches under 3000 that you can spend your money on. So the next one in our list is MevoFit Race Dive. MevoFit is an impressive mid-range smartwatch that you can buy to manage all your sports and health related activities. The watch comes with pleasing color options that you can flaunt on your wrists. The smartwatch is made up of a durable metallic body that has a circular shaped dial. The dial boundary has an alloy border frame finish that makes it look fancier. The display size of the watch is a bit smaller than the other smartwatches. It has 0.96-inch OLED panel that works well in all kinds of light. It might not work well in extreme sunlight. The straps of the watch are made up of silicone material so that you can carry it for a longer duration with ease. The smartwatch is a bit different from all the convenient watches in terms of design and features. If you are planning to buy a decent best smartwatches under 3000, then this can work well for you. So the next one in our list is NoiseFit Endure. NoiseFit Endure is an enduring smartwatch by Noise which offers you up to the par performance. The watch has a sporty look that will be loved by athletes and sports persons. The watch is available in 3 stylish colors and you can choose according to your suitability. The watch is carved out of stainless steels which makes it ideal for outdoor usages. You can wear it in your gym session, or if you are thinking about a long running sessions. Straps of the watch are made up of silicone, which will not bother you if you are wearing them for long sessions. So talking about the display of the device, it has a big 1.28 inches TFT display. The display produces vibrant and clear visuals that are visible even under direct sunlight. The watch offers you more than 100 watch faces to choose from. The watch has a long-lasting battery life, which could be one of the reasons users will opt for this watch from our list of best smartwatches under 3000 rupees. The watch can stay awake for 20 days once you have fully charged it. So under the price belt of 3000, the watch is offering ample features that you can expect from watches in this segment. The watch has all the health related sensors that will keep you updated with your health status. So the next one in our list is Amazfit Neo. Buying an Amazfit smartwatch under 3k rupees would be a dream come true for the smartwatch lovers. Amazfit Neo is an advanced and retro look smartwatch that comes with some handy features. Starting from the design of the watch, you get a square shaped dial, adding a retro look. On the sides of the watch, you get 4 multifunctional physical buttons that will assist you in doing all the activities. The sturdy build quality of the watch alongside a rugged look is one of the key highlights of the watch, making it worth buying. If you are looking for the best smartwatch under a fixed affordable budget, then you should go for Amazfit Neo. Moving towards the display of the watch, it has 1.2 inch 4-sided always on display, which is efficient. The display is easily visible under direct sunlight and you do not need to strain your eyes. The watch comes with a lift to wake features that automatically activates the display while reading the time. 5 ATM water resistant certification means the watch is ideal for outdoors. The watch can resist up to 50 meters of water ingression. The usage time offered by the Amazfit Neo makes it the best in this segment. The watch can stay awake for 28 days when once fully juiced up, and you can charge the watch and can go for long trips without any worry. So under the 3000 price belt, the features and performance offered by this watch is unbeatable. No need to beat around the bush if you are looking for the best smartwatch under 3000, as Amazfit Neo is the perfect watch to add in your gadget wardrobe. So guys, these are the top 5 best smartwatches under 3000 rupees that you can buy right now. Do you think we have missed any smartwatch? Let us know that in the comments down below. And for more future updates like this, please do considering subscribing, liking and sharing our channel. Thank you so much.